Okay, we're out here at the at the Chinese garden here.
Japanese. It's Japanese.
Okay, the Japanese garden here. And we're actually looking at these flowers here that actually comes out only in June and July. These flowers only come out in June and July. They're actually a Chinese flower. And the name of this flower is called the locust. That's what it's called. Yeah. It's called the locust flower. So I'm going to get a closer look at this flower right here. Look at this one here, you guys. This one is closer. This is another one here. This is called the locust flower.
It's still blooming.
Yeah, and it comes out only in June and July. It starts to blossom in July. And this is actually a Chinese flower. And it comes out once every year.
Japanese flower.
It's a Chinese flower.
Japanese.
It is a Chinese flower.
It's Chinese, but it's in a Japanese garden.
Yeah, it's Chinese and Japanese garden. I'm out here. We're just out here kicking it out here and enjoying this nature out here.
It's Japanese.
But these flowers are amazing.
Because it can fall. Do you want that thing to break?
And then you also have, there's fish in here too. There's fish. This is an amazing flower. It's just has so much beauty to that flower there. If you guys can see that flower. Very beautiful. Okay, over there is my daughters over there. My two daughters and family friend over there. Our family friend, Janelle, is out here with us. There's, as you can see, if you can zoom in, there's another one of the flowers right there. It's a white one, actually. It's so beautiful. It's right there, a white one. Very, very beautiful. So, this is a Japanese garden, but it has a Chinese flower here. The locust flower, it only comes out in June and July. Just amazing, beautiful flower. The Most High knew what he was doing when he created flowers. He even said that Solomon didn't have much beauty as flowers, because Solomon actually passed away, but the flowers, they actually come back every year. Some of them actually come back sooner than that. So anyway, look at that. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, this is just some of the nature that I'm showing you guys right now. As you can see over there, there are some turtles. It's a line of turtles just hanging out. They're just getting some sun right there. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turtles, but they're still, you probably, if you look closely, you can see those turtles just right there on the ledge there. Anyway, this is my nature walk for today. Signing out.